Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your Windows screen from portrait mode to landscape mode in just a few simple steps. First, right click anywhere on the desktop like display setting. Here display settings, scroll down until you find display orientation. Scroll down until you find display orientation. Here is where my mouse is display orientation. Let's click on portrait mode. It's in a portrait mode. Landscape flipped. It's right. It flipped. And this is portrait flipped. You can see that's the way you can change the orientation of your windows. That's it. Your screen is now back to landscape mode. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.